Mr. Saurabh Kulkarni. He is mobile automation expert for Indian region working with BNR Automation. He has 15 years of experience in field of automation and drives across industries. He senses that the demands placed on the commercial vehicles have evolved dramatically over the years, with new functions being added all the time and requirements for operating efficiency and quality higher than ever. These vehicles need an automation system that is both powerful and scalable. He opines about mobile automation solutions with the experience of working with BNR Automation as a partner. Today, Mr. Kulkarni will give us a brief view on automation and industrial IoT solutions and its benefits for heavy equipment. So, delegates, let's welcome Mr. Kulkarni.
So, from horses through steam and diesel to electric and robotic, this industry has evolved a lot. It was also evident from my previous presenter, Mr. V. Shekhar, who also explained how it has evolved. So, what has evolved is it has got a lot of mechanical advancements, ease of operation, and safety for the operators. So, right from mechanical or diesel things to now it has evolved more into electric and robotic. So now we can define the tool center point, so the operator doesn't need to care which lever or what needs to be operated. He can just operate one and the hydraulic system takes care about it. So we say it serial kinematics in this. So this industry has evolved till that. And what has changed dramatically in this industry is the share of electrical or electronic components as compared to the mechanical. So over the years this has been increasing and we will see it increasing more, because as we said, now these equipments are looked as like they need to give a value for the money invested by the user in terms of like it could be higher productivity, reliability, energy or fuel efficiency. Then we need a maximum uptime. The maintenance should be low for this, and also the support should be quickly available and remotely. So as an B&R, we are headquartered in Austria, and we have more than 40 years of experience in industrial automation, and we have customers in virtually every industry. So starting from, you name an industry, be it plastic, packaging, pharma, metals, and now we are the new entrant. I would not say still new, but we are the entrant into this mobile automation. And what gives us this confidence in mobile automation is we bring a lot of valuable know-how from other industries into this industry. So with our background of robotics, the track system, the linear motors and all, which we are able to scale it into this industry. So we know this industry has a different set of environmental conditions wherein the machines are operated under the sun and not under a AC or a closed environment, and it has a different set of standards. So we focused on this and we have brought. Okay, so I was continuing it with Mr. Shekhar's comments saying that the challenges faced by the industry. So I have also summarized the same four, I would say: digitalization, and what you need is a strong partner, a solution provider who is clear about the vision. We need a broad portfolio and also a strong local support. Plus the complexity, day by day the machine's complexity is increasing. So we see now robotics and telemetry becoming a core part of it. Users are more looking for the integrated safety technologies and also the remote support. Plus we need shorter product life cycles because we need to keep up with fast moving market demands. We need shorter innovation cycles. And then markets. Yes, to win in global markets, you need to tame in jungle of local standards and certifications. So I will present you the product portfolio which we have, which we project for this applications across the industry, and these are the specific for the mobile automation industry. We start with, we have this series as X90, and we say the X90 controller, and it ranges from the remote IOs to a controller, a PC, and which can also be customized, plus which can also be increased with the option boards depending upon how the machine configuration or the equipment configuration goes, plus a touch panel which has a multi-touch capability, and it can also run HTML web pages. So you can also have the web pages, the dashboard onto your mobile phone or any tab. And we use one single software across all our products, and that uses for all the products to configure it. And how this will look into your machine is the controller has onboard CAN with which you are able to communicate with the ECU or with the engine on a SAE J1939 protocol. Plus it has CAN ports wherein you can also interface with the external, it could be sensors, it could be the accelerators or any other peripheral devices. Plus we also provide you with the sensors which are used for vibration monitoring and which are very useful for the predictive maintenance as well. So imagine 5 years back a scene on a landscape like this, wherein there are cranes, excavators, graders, pavers, etc. All they are talking to cloud, other equipments, and also they are doing a coordinated work. And this all they are doing with ensuring security of the personnel and data. This forms a major chunk of IIoT or industrial IoT, what we say it. And connectivity is the key in achieving this feat. So even if I put it in a white paper, what we need here is machine to machine or equipment to equipment automation. We need cloud connectivity and safety. So even if I put this in terms of an industrial automation wherein there are machines in a factory, they still need to talk to each other. They need a safety, security, a real-time control, and more importantly, they should be plug and play. So same are the challenges even in the field wherein they are operated in a geometrically fixed regions, plus they need to talk to each other, plus they need to talk to the cloud. So with OPC UA, I would say OPC UA has a natural place in this world of mobile machinery, because even many sensor suppliers are behind. They are trying to, or they are aiming to achieve this protocol, and this protocol would be the next protocol because this would be the key for the connectivity of your vehicle to the cloud. So we support this, our product support this, and it's onboard feature which we provide with all of our products, and there's nothing additional cost to it. So as a whole, B&R, what we offer is, I always say it's a one-stop solution wherein it's majorly based on three pillars: the hardware, what we saw, the software, which we need to program all these hardware products, and the expertise. And this expertise is available globally as well as locally. We have the standard solutions, so we have the standard templates to develop such software architecture which can be used across and with the global standards. So before closing out, I would also like to show our power, like what we are doing in this field, be it construction equipment, be it forestry or agriculture, or be it municipal vehicles. So I will just play a video.
Yes, it is audible. Thank you. It is working. It's working.
Machinery in the agriculture and construction industries are evolving quickly and dramatically. To increase output, efficiency, and quality, traditional machines need to become smarter. The Automation PC Mobile from B&R is a powerful and robust PC that can withstand the harsh environmental conditions facing mobile machinery, and that forms the basis for smart solutions. B&R offers a homogeneous software platform that provides open and real-time runtime solutions, as well as tools like Automation Studio for engineering and OpRoll for advanced process and control algorithms. Rugged PC technology made by B&R.
So this video, just to put this video in a nutshell, so I would say the demands which are placed on commercial vehicles have evolved dramatically over the years. So with new functions being added all the time and requirements of operating efficiency and quality higher than ever, these vehicles need an automation system that is both powerful and scalable. So with B&R solution, we make it easier than ever to implement these automation concepts in any construction, municipal vehicles, agriculture, or forestry applications. So with this, I would like to thank you all